So I had someone comment that there was clutter behind me on one of my shorts that was on YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you. But so here you'll see that's behind me, the shelf. And this is going to be part one of part two. And I'm going to scroll down so you can see that screenshot. And Patty said behind you. And in case I missed that, she had to comment again, you have tons of it behind you on your shelves. So I just responded with the same comment. The stuff behind me is mainly teas and books that I use regularly that I want close by. It isn't clutter. Are they super neat? Nope, but I never claimed to be a neat freak. Thanks for watching and commenting. I wanted to share this because if you followed me for a while, you know my definition of clutter is this. Clutter is anything that prevents you from creating a home and life you love. And I never claim to be neat. I'm not for everyone. These are not overly edited. They really aren't edited. I usually just have an idea and run with it. But I wanted to share that because that's my definition. That doesn't need to be your definition. And Patty's obviously clutter has to include a level of neatness that we don't share. It doesn't make any of us right, doesn't make any of us wrong. So that's something that you can consider. What is your definition of clutter? What is clutter to you? And then roll with that. Go with that and do what makes sense to you. And I'm going to have a really important part too because it's related as well. What's your definition of clutter? Do you agree with mine?